Our body works between pH range of 7 to 7.8. The value represent pH of an alkaline solution is pH more than 7. For public water supply, pH value ranges from 6.5 to 8.5. pH of pure water is 7. Average pH of milk is 6.5 to 6.7. If a solution changes the color of blue litmus paper to red, pH of the solution will be less than 7. If pH value of river water is below 7, then water is considered polluted with acidic waste. When pH value increases from 7 to 14, it shows that there is an increase in OH minus concentration. It has value of pH lower than that of pure water, gastric juice. Most acidic mixture has pH value of 0. pH value of lemon juice 2.2. Commonly used as indicator in pH universal indicator. In general, how can a neutralization reaction be added? Alkali plus acid plus salt plus water. Metal react with acid to produce salt and hydrogen. NaCl is a salt which is formed by a strong acid and a strong base. Sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form a simple salt solution. Mineral salt is a majority in seawater is sodium chloride. The potassium acid is obtained during production of alcohol is co-product in process of fermentation. Potassium bitrate. Salt is obtained from seawater by which process? Evaporation. Salinity is amount of salt in gram per gent in 1000 gram of water. Lemon 2.2 से 2.4. Vinegar 2.4 से 3.4. Alcohol 2.8 से 3.8. Tomato juice 4 से 4.5. Beer 4 से 5. Coffee 4.5 से 5.5. Human urine 5.5 से 7.5. Saliva 6.5 से 7.5. Blood 7.3 से 7.5. Milk 6.4. Lime water 10.5. Milk of magnesia 10. Sea water 7.8. Common salt is sodium chloride. Source of common salt is halite. Washing soda is baking salt. Common salt is NaCl. Found in sodium window cleaner, ammonium hydroxide. Basic dissolved in water, alkali. Litmus paper changes to blue color when put in soap water. In general, oxide of metal are basic in nature. Toothpaste is generally basic in nature. Oil of vitriol is sulfuric acid. Muriatic acid is known as hydrochloric acid. A strong acid solution contains mostly water. Aqueous solution of copper sulfate is turns blue litmus red. To dilute a concentrated acid, what should we do? Add concentrated acid in water. Aqua regia can dissolve gold. As a dehydrating agent to convert ethanol to ethane, concentrated sulfuric acid is used. Oxide in not acidic nature, CO, not acidic nature, CC4. Aqua regia में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक नाइट्रिक एसिड और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक में क्या